The event was organised by the Institute for Conflict, Cooperation and Security here at the University of Birmingham in conjunction with Remote Control, which is part of the Oxford Research Group, and Drone Wars UK. The purpose was to mark the 10th anniversary of the introduction of the RAF Reaper into operational service, and in the light of that to reflect upon the legality, the morality and the strategic implications of the use of the Reaper during that period.
I think some of the controversies that have been surrounding the use of Reaper in the UK is really the targeted killing of Rayad Khan, which took place in August 2015 when a UK national who was fighting for ISIS was killed by a UK Reaper drone over Syria. The main controversy surrounding that was, the factors were it took place before parliamentary authorisation of the use of force in Syria. And there were a lot of confusing statements from the government afterwards about both the legal basis and justification for the strike, but also whether this was a new departure in UK policy.
There are many issues associated with the use of drones in the UK, whether we're talking about the civilian use or the small use by possible terrorist threats, but also the UK military use. And we'll see quite soon in the future UK military drones operating within UK airspace. So that raises a number of issues and concerns, and the debate about that really needs to start imminently.
The event brought together practitioners, particularly from the armed services, the RAF. It brought together activists, NGO activists working in the drone space. It brought together academics. And what we wanted to do was try and get the range of opinion, which is wide, together in one room to discuss these questions, to try and reflect really on what has the UK's acquisition and deployment of drones contributed to UK security.